How are you doing today?
All right, doctor.
Good to hear that. How may I address you?
My name is Mr. Jones.
Let's see, Mr. Jones. Um, as I can see, you're here visiting me today to check your results from your urine sample, right?
Yes, that's right, doctor. Uh,
Okay. Um, did you had any? Could you explain your symptoms for me as
uh,
well?
doctor, I'm really fed up with this urine infection. I get this burning sensation, and I have to rush to the toilet, and I have to get up at
Mm-hmm.
night several times, and it just
Okay.
doesn't go away. It's take antibiotics, get better, and then comes back again.
Okay. I see. It must be hard for you this time.
Yes, really, I'm really fed up with it.
Sorry to hear that. Um, as your results, I can see you got an urinary tract infection. And as you say, it has several times you had the UTI recently. And could you explain a little more about your lifestyle?
Yeah, doctor, I'm very healthy. I walk a lot of times. I mean,
Yeah,
at
that's
least
good.
half an hour a day. I eat a lot of
Okay.
vegetables, two
Mm-hmm.
glasses of water, 2 cups of coffee. Yeah,
Okay.
everything is very good.
It's really good to hear that. I'm really congratulations for you. But if, as you said, you're doing everything right in your lifestyle, so we may I explain a little more about what you should do for be for میخوام بگم
Okay.
and be more healthy. Mm.
Uh, okay. Can I be more healthy? Okay.
Uh, healthier بعد بگم نه.
Okay, that's fine. Yes.
Okay. What I want to explain to you, it's about your hygiene. I understand you may think that you're doing everything well, but by hygiene, but good hygiene, I mean you may uh, do double voiding. That do you hear about it or no?
No, not really. Uh,
So it may I explain it to you?
yes, please.
It means that you're emptying your bladder and wait a little more and empty it again. It could be a residual urine in your bladder. So when you wait, it could be mm, um, خا- خارج شدنم یارم رفت از could be getting out of your bladder.
Right.
And um, do you have any concerns about that?
No, I think I know what you're saying. It's basically um, to pass urine twice.
Yeah, that's right. And uh, um, if we are clear, I'd like to explain about your um, treatment. Is that okay?
Yeah, we ran out of time. Okay, so this the previous one was um, 31-year-old male and contaminated water. Yeah. So you can listen later, and you can look at the task. Now, how about this one? How do you feel about this? What is your feeling?
Terrible.
Terrible. Why?
Yeah. Because even I couldn't explain about his treatment, and I had too much hesitations. Um, I didn't. I even don't get the settings, what they mean. Um, I don't
Okay.
know. I think I'm so.
Okay. So, what score out of 10 would you give yourself?
Uh, really bad. I don't know. Maybe 3. I don't know.
Okay. So these bits. So how was your structure?
Um, I'm not sure. What do you mean by structure? I forgot about it. Wait.
Okay, that's a problem because you need to know what the structure is. But
Yeah, I
okay.
forgot about everything.
So how about the rapport? Yeah, that went well. You introduced yourself. You asked the patient's name. Then you said you showed empathy. Okay, and information
That was
gathering.
fun.
How was the information
I
gathering?
um I think not bad. I tried to use open question.
Okay.
Um and then um I asked about his lifestyle and he
Right. Okay. Uh, Identifying and exploring patients' eyes.
yeah I think I have asked about his concerns.
Okay.
Um, and I recheck when I was explaining uh, if it's okay with him or not.
Okay.
Um,
And information giving. Did you manage to give information in small chunks and then checking?
yeah, when I was about double voiding, I recheck with him at the end. I
Okay.
think that was fine.
And
Um,
so, right. Okay. So what could you do differently? Definitely a structure, but because you don't remember what it is. So how about information gathering? Could you do it any better?
mm, Maybe I should ask separately about his diet or water intake
Mhm.
or doing exercises. Maybe I should. It would be better if I ask separately.
Well, I said that, but I said that myself. I gave you the information about my exercise level. I walk
Mm-hmm.
half an hour a day. I
Mm-hmm.
take 2 glasses of water, 2 cups of coffee. So you had those. But
Yeah.
I think what you can ask is actually just look at it as a patient. You say, okay, how many times have you got urine infection?
Mm-hmm.
And how often do you get it? And then
Mm-hmm.
what have you done?
Okay. So about his
What has been
previous
done?
treatments.
Yes, that's something
Okay.
you need to know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, uh, right. So, what information giving? Did you talk about prophylactic antibiotics or anything like that? So you didn't have time, really. You
Yeah.
just covered the double voiding.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay. Yes.
I think my problem is I'm focusing too much on tasks and I don't think about it as a patient.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking to do the tasks. I think it's a real problem for me.
Yep.
Um,
Okay. So
yeah,
focusing too much on the task, so missing the patient
yeah,
and the points. Okay, that's what I mentioned at the beginning. We are not given any extra marks for following the task, but
yeah.
the what we are scored against is these criteria. Okay, so
Mm-hmm,
I understand it is. A lot of people say, well, so we have to do the task. Yes, but you
mm-hmm,
have to do the task in the way that the OET is looking for. So it's just, and not in the same order that is given there, not always. It's usually
mm-hmm.
the same order, but not always. But
Yeah.
which parts you should explain more, which parts you should do quicker, and how you should do them. So that's the role play card is just guidance and just to give you an idea of what the role play might be. But you
Okay.
need to structure it. So you are the responsible person. You are the person
Mm-hmm,
to structure the consultation. Okay.
okay.
In other examinations, it's different. In language examinations, it is the examiner uh, who actually organizes the consultation or the interview. But here, the person sitting next to you is not an examiner. It's just an interlocutor. It means
Mm-hmm,
it's only someone who speaks. Only
okay.
someone who speaks with you and answers your questions. That's it. So they have no responsibility of structuring the conversation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Everything is you. Okay.
Okay.